Hi gorgeous, let's do some skincare. Today is my one day off a week. I just worked 6 doubles, so I am looking and feeling a whole hot mess. I mean, look at me, I got nails falling off. Girl, we need to get it together. So I want to deep cleanse my face and just show you some skincare that I do to like take the week off. So the first thing I start with obviously is going to be an everyday cleanser. This is the deep cleanse from Tatcha. This is the jumbo size and I'm obsessed. It gets in a really good clean without stripping the skin, which is really important in any skincare product that you use, any cleansing skincare products you use. You don't want it to strip the skin. That's not good. That tight feeling, that's not the feeling that you want from your skincare products at all. Even if it's a wash, don't do that. Okay, so while my face is still wet and still like we got a little drippage going on, that's when I go in with the Tatcha Rice Polish. And when I say this is a deep cleanser at its finest, honey, this is a deep cleanser at its finest. Like if you use this, don't go in with a facial mask or a skincare product that has AHA or BHA in it, because it will burn your skin. Because this stuff cleans those pores, sister. It cleans those pores. But before we do that, today, because I have the time, lucky me, I'm going to bust out the facial steamer. Guys, this facial steamer comes with a headband. I think we gotta put it on. The ultimate spa experience at home. So obviously my facial steamer is from Vanity Planet. Not sponsored, but it's just the only facial steamer I've ever used and I'm obsessed with it. I'll have it linked down below. I hope this steam isn't too like it's in the way, but it feels absolutely amazing. It is such a nice warm steam and you can see that like the flow is so just soothing, calming. This thing is amazing. If you want like an in-depth review slash like what I use this for video, let me know down below. Anyways, let's mosey on with some deep cleaning. Now that our face is being steamed, I'm gonna go in with this rice polish, and this is the, not strange, but it's definitely an interesting product. So you have to have some wetness on your hands and on your skin, and then you pour it into your hand. And then you can see it's like white sand. And the wetness of everything, you see that? Turns it into suds and just this gorgeous, most luxurious soap you ever did feel, you ever did see, you ever did find. It's such a luxury cleanse that actually works. And I always rub this into my hands, keep the hands young, and then I rinse it off. The lighting just got funny because I had to unplug a studio light to plug in this from PMD. This is a personal microderm and I got this during the 21 Days of Beauty at Ulta like a year or so back, and I love it for obvious reasons. It cleans out your skin, and with the steam on our face, our pores are open. So let's go. That is such an amazing moisturizing product, especially like deep cleansing, and you don't want to use a product that's really harsh that has AHA or BHA in it, this will get in those pores just as good as AHA or BHA without burning your skin. Just if you get this, I'll link it down below, but if you get it, do not, I repeat, do not hold it on like one spot. I turned it off, so don't hold it on one spot. I know that seems like such a silly move, but it will put a perfect little circle. A little, looks like a carpet burn right there on your face. Surely will. Look. So like even after deep cleaning and doing a double wash on a double cleanse on my face, it still gets gunk. So now like our skin is just woo, looking too good, clean. I'm gonna go right in with some toner. I do the Clinique toners. I'm really into those right now. Obviously, I've used quite a bit of it. So I just go in with the #1 first. So these are great if you have dry skin, and with the change of seasons and stuff like that, I'm just being sure to put on that extra moisture. So it's like a toner slash liquid clarifying lotion. And a toner is also really good for any leftover gunk, dirt, whatever, any leftover stuff from the day or from your pillow or whatever. So I'm definitely a firm believer in toner. I know some people are like, you absolutely don't need it. It's like a big debate. I'm one of those. I'm definitely gonna put it on. I guess the double cleanse and the microderming really helps. Look at that. It's a clean pad. I'm always sure to get my neck and chest area, because you can keep up with your skincare all you want on your face and look much younger than you actually are. But if you forget to do your neck, décolletage, and your hands, that's where people will see your age. And I have seen it in person. Toner, check. Now I'm gonna go in with some eye cream. I do not think there is an age where you should start wearing eye cream. I think if you can buy the cream, wear the cream. It's just like the easiest wrinkle to prevent is the one that isn't there. I heard that when I got a facial one time, and I was like, yes ma'am, you preach. I'm alternating between two right now. I've got this one from Kylie's Skin, the eye cream, and then I've got this one from Wishful. Today, let's go in with this. I do tend to gravitate towards eye creams that you can apply with the bottle instead of having to dig your finger in there. I just don't like that. I don't know why, I just don't like it. And then I lightly kind of buff the product in. As to not pull on my skin, especially around the eye area, because that is the most fragile part of your skin that's on your entire body. It's your under eye area. So I let some product come up like so, and then I just kind of tap it in. Doing my skincare makes me, like, if I can do my skincare, I can do anything, okay? Anything. It makes me just, I'm ready to just slay the whole entire day, the whole entire week. Like, I am recharged for another 6 doubles, okay? Actually, not really, but it makes me feel like I am. Next in my lineup, let's go in with a couple oils. I'm going to go in with 2 like A+ skincare oils. This is from Sunday Riley. You've heard me talk about it before. This is the CEO Glow facial oil. This bad boy has a vitamin C and turmeric, and it's just so good, so good for your skin. And then the next one I'm gonna go in with is from Dior, and this is the Capture Youth Plump Filler. Price tag wise, if it's in your budget, go for it, but I'm not gonna tell you, like, you absolutely, I don't care, you have to get this product. No, I'm not gonna tell you that because it is expensive. I'll link it down below, you can take a peek, but it smells divine. It's not like a, you know, luxury brands are all like flowers and roses. This smells, I don't even know how to describe it. It's almost, it's like a warm scent, but not vanilla. It smells so good. So I'm gonna go in with the 2. This is the Sunday Riley. And I will add in this from Dior. And I'm literally going to push this into my skin. I turned my steamer back on because the steam, like I said, is going to open up those pores, and when you apply your products while your pores are open, obviously your skin's going to take in more of what that product can do for your skin. So now I'm going to go in with retinol. Also, I've said this in skincare videos before, but I'll say it again for you new rock stars out there. You should always work your skincare from the thinnest product, so that would be your toner, and work your way up to the thicker products. Your last product you put on should be your moisturizer, your SPF, something thick like a lotion, just for those who didn't know. So next I'm gonna go in with this from Youth to the People. This is the retinol and niacinamide youth serum, and it smooths over, it gives your skin that glow. Like, this helps with fine lines, wrinkles, plumping of the skin. Like, this is everything in one little bottle. It'll be linked below. And I pretty much target this, it's just a little yellow product. I target this on my forehead for fine line purposes. We are not ashamed. And give that like a good massage into my skin. And then I take what's left and hit the sides of my eyes, though I don't think crow's feet runs in my family. But you know, you never know. You know, hit where wrinkles would form. And I also go in to smile lines and just make sure that my skin is drinking it up. You guys, this is the best. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Like, this is just fun. We're just chilling. We're hanging out. Next product, let's go in with a little bit of SPF. This is new for me. I found it on Flip. If you don't know, that's like a makeup reviewing app. Follow me on there, HollyLynora. This is from Emma Hardy, and this is the Protect and Prime with an SPF of 30. I really hope the steam isn't distracting, so I kind of moved it back so you can actually see what I'm doing, but this is what she looks like. And she smells like SPF and citrus combined. Not really sure how I feel about it, but she gets the job done. She serves her purpose. Some people are big on smells. I'm just not that girly. I mean, of course, if it reeks, yeah, but typically I can overlook something that smells like too perfumey or whatever. It's fine. And I like it because it does not leave a white cast. So you can just wear this, you know, as is, and it blurs that skin, all the while protecting, priming for your makeup. Like, I have really been liking this product. Now we're coming to a closure. While that steamer's out, can't forget to gua sha. This is relaxing in itself. Let's go in with a daily moisturizer. This is from Drunk Elephant, and it is the La La Retro Whipped Cream. I like it because it's a thick feel, but it's not heavy, if that makes any sense at all. Like, it's whipped, but you can tell it is moisturizing, it is thick, your skin is loving it. Yes, I love this. People say they really dislike the way the bottle does like that, but it doesn't bother me. I don't mind it. That's how I do mine. Give her a good rub in. Rub it in your hands. How good our skin looks. And last but not least, we cannot forget the lips. I'm gonna go in with this from Laneige. It's the Lip Sleeping Mask, but of course I use it whenever I'm just kidding. I do use it whenever though. You can tell I love it. And this is my second one that I've almost completed. Look at that. I use it all the time. And I'm trying to, like, the first one I used was the bubblegum pink. Now this one is the apple lime. And of course the next one I used, I want to try a different flavor. So I just go in with the back of my fingernail, clean hands, and give her a good rub-a-dub-dub. Now My skincare is done. Like, I feel clean. My skin feels hydrated. Look how plump my skin looks. Like, look. My skin looks healthy, glowy. It needed this. Absolutely. This was not sponsored, but everything, all these products, like, I truly do use on the daily, or that I truly do love, like when I'm doing a spa day or whatever at home. So I'll have them linked down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Bye.